Today I'm gonna marinate some pork belly with ribs, guys. Look at that. There's the ribs. Come with it. So I have here crushed red pepper, liquid seasoning nor, Sanjay tamari, black pepper. I have here calamansi juice, guys. This is the calamansi. If you don't have this, you can use lime or lemon. 1/3 cup of 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of oil. I think this is 6 or 5 garlic clove minced, and then 2 of those green onion that I cut. And now we're gonna mix all this. So I'm gonna use like 1/2 cup of Sanjay. You can use any of your choice, of course, of soy sauce. And this probably like 1/2 cup. Probably 1 whole lemon, big lemon. The brown sugar, oil, garlic, green onion, like 1 tablespoon of the red crust, and half tablespoon, since we have the red crust pepper. So I'm gonna put 2 of those smoke nor seasoning, and then we mix that. You can taste this, guys. If it's sweet, kind of sweet, that yummy, perfect. Overnight, or you can marinate for, to me, overnight, guys. You can use chicken for this or beef.